Hey guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're going to go ahead and start a new session, continue with our sessions trading with binary options on Quotex, a platform where I trade. The link is going to be in the description to this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Don't forget about that. And let's go ahead and start our session of today. We're going to start with $55 today. And our first option is going to be on this stock here, on the commodities, on the silver. Let's go ahead and change. We're in a 30-second actually time frame, and we're gonna go ahead and stay at 1 minute. And let's see the first option we're gonna make. According to our indicators, I see a change of the direction. I see that the price is probably gonna go up. Although it's unclear by the, so I'm gonna go ahead with the call option. It's unclear by the indicator, by the parabolic SAR, but it just didn't pick up yet. But I see a change of the direction of the market here, of the trend, and also the RSI is slightly showing us also some increase in price. So let's wait for the result on this one. And here is the profit, $102. We started with quite a good amount today, so it's a bit more dynamic and faster. If you start with a couple of dollars, it's quite a long time till you get a good balance. Let's go to this commodity here, gold, and we're gonna go ahead and make our next option for $100, and it's going to be I'm gonna go ahead for a put option. I see a resistance level. I'm trying to break through this resistance level, but I think we have still time until it breaks through. I think we have still time for a pullback to a more bearish situation. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, also there is a possibility of the support level going through the support levels, but I think we still have enough time here for a quick put option. What do you think, guys? Gold is tricky, so maybe, yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, so is it entering kind of flat there or something? Yeah, it looks like it's entered into a flat kind of. I'm gonna go for this put option. I'm gonna try this out because I think we still have enough time for this to use in our advantage, and let's wait for the result. And here is the next profit, 190.89, excuse. So $190 we have on our balance, and let's do the next option. Let's go with 190, and go to silver. Yeah, let's go to silver, and again I see there's a resistance level there, and it looks like we're gonna bounce off it. I'm gonna go for a put option, as I see it doesn't have enough power to go through yet, and a pullback is likely. So let's do that. There's still time. Ooh. Well, let's wait for the result anyway. Here is the profit, $349, already a good one. We started with quite a high deposit today, but still, it's a really nice profit already, and we are going to use $350 for our next option. And let's do that. Let's head to our to our next victim, and that's looking pretty good actually on here. That's that's a nice, actually, I mean, here with this long candle I would probably consider going, no, see, it doesn't, yeah, so yeah, I mean, it has set, it's kind of a pin bar situation here, so well, actually the price would probably be going up, unless, we'll see in a sec, there's gonna be a pin bar, a red pin bar now, I think. 350, and we'll change to gold. It's in the flat there actually, and we're gonna go ahead for the put option. Why not? Because the indications are pretty clear here, the bearish trend, and we'll just jump on this trend and enjoy. Yeah, I'm gonna stay here on this trend. Yeah, let's go here, 350, and let's wait for the results. And here is our next great profit, $661. And we're gonna go ahead and use this money, $660, for our next option. The next option is going to be, oh, it looks like this is changing directions. That's looking good. So 660, and let's see. I mean, RSI here is kind of in the close to the minimums there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a call option at this point, $660. I expect a rise in price in here. Awesome, guys, $1,247. This is a really amazing profit already in such a short time. We're gonna go and use $1,000 for our next option. So let's choose the next currency, and right here, I mean, the parabolic SAR here is actually indicates to go into the short, so maybe we're gonna listen to this guy. Yeah, because the market, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do a put option for 1,000, because the market has crossed the parabolic SAR indicator line, the dotted line. It had crossed it down through, so it kind of broke it as if it was a support level, and this usually indicates prices going down. Also, RSI is kind of in the area. It was in the area of over buying, and it started going down, so it's losing its power, this market, this bullish market. So yeah, so we see a nice nice decrease in price. So let's wait for the result, the final. And here it is. It doesn't leave us waiting for too long, as I spoke through the most of the time. And it's 89% payout from the 1,000, which makes it 2,140 on our balance already. I know it's crazy, right? This every time it makes it twice bigger, the balance, and bigger, because that's the compound percentage. That's how it works. You use the entirety of your balance, of your earnings to invest. So it makes this grow exponentially. And here on this currency we see a bearish trend. We're gonna go ahead and use this for $2,000 option. There was a pullback, but it keeps at the trend keeps going as a downtrend. So let's see the result. And here we have our profit, $3,920 in total. And we'll go to the next commodity here, silver, and let's make our next option is going to be for $3,000, as we can make $3,000. Almost four, I mean, but we're gonna go ahead. So see the situation. It's an indicator that the price is oversold and it's gonna most likely go up. So therefore, a $3,000 call option. And so RSI has crossed up the resistance level at this point, because when it crosses it down, it becomes the resistance level. Plus, we're about to cross the parabolic SAR dotted line. See how it intersects now, and when it crosses it up, it means that the price will be increasing, which means it's a long. So let's see the results, the finals. $3,780 of profit and total of $6,590. So what we're going to do next is we're going to make our next option over at maybe this currency. That looks like a good indication actually to go up. So the price was going down. Right now it looks like the SAR is showing us the indication to go up, and we're expecting a actually over here. Let's go ahead and use this one instead. I actually like this one more. $6,000 option for into the long. So this is actually a similar situation, but I think this will play out better, as this is basically what we see here is the resistance levels are about to be broken, in my opinion, because it looks like actually to me it looks like a change of the direction of the trend, but we'll wait and see the result. But this is what it looks to me. But again, when it collects like this at the resistance level, it's a good sign. It means it most likely will break through. When it goes through it with one big candle, usually it goes back up. See, actually it's entering into a bit of a flat, so this is good. The price will go up most likely. A profit of $11,930 in total, and if you consider we started with $55, is pretty awesome results. You must admit And if you like the content, let me know in the commentary section, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you all next time. Don't forget about the description to this video. There's a lot of useful information, Telegram group, link to the Quotex where I trade, and yeah, good luck with your trading. See you all next time. Goodbye.